Multiple U.S. states are reporting a spike in stomach bug cases. They're caused by a tiny parasite called Cyclospora. It generates some very nasty symptoms, and the CBC's Jennifer LaGrassa has the details for us from Windsor, Ontario.
Well, Andrew, what we do know is that it's growing very quickly, specifically over the last week, and especially right across the border there in Michigan, where they've recorded more than 1,200 cases, and 36 people have actually gone to hospital. So what exactly is this? Cyclospora is a small parasite, and it's something that likes to attach to fruits and vegetables. It can be imported into Canada and the United States through produce, specifically produce that comes from South and Central America, the Caribbean, as well as Africa. And basically, after someone ingests produce with this parasite, it could take up to 2 weeks for symptoms to appear, and then those can last for about 2 months. So some of those symptoms include watery and explosive diarrhea, mild fever, and nausea. People with weak immune systems or people who are older or younger are more at risk for severe illness. Now, while this illness tends to occur in the spring and summer, what we're seeing with this outbreak is unusual just because there's so many cases. So for example, in Michigan, usually they'll get about 50 cases of this in a year. One expert that we spoke to says we're going to continue to see this increase and one similar to it increase.
Cyclospora is a small parasite that really enjoys warm and humid environments. So this is going to be more and more likely to happen with climate change, with the rising global temperatures. And this is why we are observing more cases over time.
Now, other states have also seen an increase in cases. That includes Ohio, Illinois, and New York. They are investigating what's causing this, but right now there's no clear sign of what's behind this outbreak.
So how concerned should Canadians be? Because, as we see, the U.S. is right there.
Yeah, right now, Canadians don't need to be worried. The Public Health Agency of Canada has said they are not investigating any outbreaks here at this time. But of course, it's summer, and so people are traveling, they're going across the border. So there's some things that Canadians should be aware of. For example, if they're eating vegetables, they should make sure that they are cooked. Fruit, they should eat ones that are peelable, or they should eat fruit with smooth surfaces, so things like grapes. And then as well, it's good to know with this that washing the fruit or eating frozen versions of fruits and veggies is actually not going to remove the parasite. Andrew.
The CBC's Jennifer LaGrassa in Windsor, Ontario.